The second prize goes to Mrs. Joyce Jebameri and Mrs. Maheshwari. The winners of the quiz competition for nurses and paramedics was Ms. Tenmuli and Mr. Sita Ramachandra. Then we had a quiz competition for doctors, and there were more than 10 teams participating. So the quiz was a fun and educative quiz with rounds like rapid fire, myths and realities about plastic surgery. So it was an all-round fun and an educational evening, and the quiz master was none other than our Sridhar sir. And the winners, the third prize goes to Dr. Rohit and Archana. The second prize goes to Dr. Brisilla Jnanapreeti and Dr. Robin Michael. The winners of the Doctors Quiz competition was Dr. Rajesh Kumar and Dr. Saravana Pandian. This is their second year winning the competition in a row. Congrats to the team. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, I request Dr. Raju Sivasamy to distribute the prize for winners of poster presentation. I request Dr. Sridhar sir to accompany. Poster presentation was conducted on 13th of July. There were opening 10 teams with 22 participants, and the third place goes to the team comprising Ms. Kanmani, Ms. Dhanalakshmi and Ms. Sweta. Second place goes to Mr. Srinath, who was a solo participant. And the winners of the poster competition is Ms. Maheshwari, Ms. Devna Mary and Ms. Saranga.
you, Raju sir. And I request Sridhar sir and RK sir to stay in the dais. I request actor Ramesh Kanna sir to come on to the dais to distribute the prizes for the short film competition. The third prize goes to Miss Akila and team in the Sims in-house category. The second prize goes to, the second, third prize goes to Miss Joyce and team. The second prize goes to Miss Shandila and team. The winner of this event is Dr. Aishwarya and team. In view of the quality of all the submissions, the judges insisted on a token of appreciation for the other participants too. I kindly call upon Mrs. Devi and team onto the stage, please. Mrs. Devi and team. If not available, one of their friends can collect the prizes, please. The next will be Mr. Angal and team. Mr. Angal and team. Mr. Angal and team. Mr. Ajit Kumar and team. Next to Mr. Ajit Kumar and team. Mr. Ajit Kumar and team. Dr. Jiva and team. I kindly request. Next is Miss Nadia and team and Miss Jansi and team.
Now, short film competition, category 2 for postgraduates. Second prize goes to Dr. Mugil Vendan from Ganga Hospital. first place goes to Dr. Pavitra Tangave and Dr. Devi and MMC team. A token of appreciation for the other participants also. I request Dr. Mohan and team from MMC. Dr. Mohan.
Mohan and team ready, sir.
Next will be Dr. Mautami Karuna and team from Keepak Medical College. The next is Dr. Deepak Rajan team from Keepak Medical College. Next is Dr. Manoj and team from Sangeetha Medical College.
So thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.